Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, let's talk about your bonus. So I want to give this kiss jacking as a bonus if you go and buy this product from my link below. I'll talk about how you can get it, but what this kiss jacking is if you want to find out, then first of all you have to go below the YouTube video you're watching and then find the link which says grab kiss jacking. Click on that link, come to this page here, and then you can scroll down and you can see that we made this kind of sales, all these sales, and this money came from free YouTube videos, just like the one I'm recording right now. Okay, so if you want to know how you can start this as a total, as a total beginner, if you don't know anything about YouTube, you're not tech savvy, if you want to know a step by step, then I can give you this kiss jacking course, which is for 2 hours and 9 minutes long, as you can see here. Okay, so I'll send you this 2 hours long video, which is kiss jacking. You can get this for free if you go and buy this product, which I'm doing the review for. You can get this kiss jacking totally for free if you buy from my link. Okay. Now you can do this in two ways. Either you go and buy the product from my link, or else you can come to kiss jacking directly. And in that case, you can buy it in $17. Okay. So let's say if you want to buy the product which I'm reviewing, go and buy from my link that product. In that case, I'll send you case checking for free, this 2 hours long video. But let's say if you say, I don't want to buy this product which you're reviewing, in that case you can go and buy this in $17. It's up to you. Okay, so sometimes it will happen that the product which I'm reviewing, you may not want it, or it might not be worth it, but you may want to buy it just because you want case checking for free. Okay, so you have two options. You go and buy this product which I am doing the review for, below my you will find a link below my video. Go and buy from my link, and then once you have purchased it, it will look something like this. After the payment, it will say access your purchase here, and it says access affiliate bonus. Okay, so once you click on access affiliate bonus on Warrior Plus, you will see that 2 hour long video which I'll send to you. And if you buy it from Zavizu, then go and figure it out. Okay, so if you want to buy this product and you want to get case jacking, then go and grab the copy from a link below, and then click on this thing here, and you will get to see this 2 hours long case jacking tutorial. Okay, otherwise you can come here and simply buy this in $17 without buying this product which I'm doing the review for. I hope we are clear. Okay, so let's do a quick recap before we start the video. Go below my video, click on the link which says grab case jacking copy, come to this page here, check these proofs. All this money was made just by making these free videos. If you want this tutorial, you can get this in two ways. Either you directly can buy this in $17 from my website here. You can go and click on this buy now button, wherever the button is, and pay $17 directly to me. Get case jacking this tutorial here, or else go and grab this product which I am doing the review for, whether you want the product or not. But if you want case checking, then go and buy that product, and you will get this as a bonus totally for free in your bonus section. Okay, and one more thing here, if you want to get your YouTube channel monetized in as little as 30 days, or you want those 4,000 subscribers and 1,000 watch hours in 15 days, then check out this thing called Make Money on YouTube. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can contact me on the email. If you can't find your bonus, you can drop me an email and I can send you the video in email as well. Once you have sent me your confirmation receipt that you bought from my link. Okay, so I guess we are clear. If you want case checking for free, go and buy the product from my link. Otherwise, if you want case checking, then go and buy directly from this website. Okay, so I'll see you hopefully inside, and let's start the review. All right, so let's do this AI funnels review, and right now we are on the sales page. If you want to come to the sales page, then you will find the link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab AI funnels copy here. Click on that link and then come to the sales page. Okay, so it says here still wasting time or money on ClickFunnels, Kartara, or Kartra freelancers or expensive funnel designers. So let's cut the crap. They're trying to sell this software as the funnel maker or funnel builder. So it's AI funnels. Okay, so this is the sales page. You can come to this by clicking on a link below. And if you want to buy this and you want to get free bonus, which we have discussed earlier, then you can get it from a link. But What this is exactly, let's talk about that in the demo video. So that's the demo video, which is for 2.5 minutes long. So let's play the demo video and I'll maximize it. So you are going to log in into the software, as you can see. And then you go to bonus, whatever this is, or download. This is your license key. Okay, so you can copy this license key and activate this inside your WordPress, I think. Okay, so you go to your WordPress and then you go to AI funnels. So I think you have to install this AI funnels inside WordPress first, then activate with your license. And then these are those done for you pages which will be there, or these are those funnels, you can say. Okay. And after that, you will have the AI, so you can describe your niche or the product. So you can type in some content in this box, and then the AI will generate all those sales copies and everything, the description for your funnel for your sales page. Okay. And these are those sections again. So what does your product do? Stuff like that. So again, type in some sentences here, and then the AI will take care of the rest. So this is it. If you want to buy this AI funnel builder, go and buy this from my link below and get your bonus as well. Otherwise, you can buy my bonus in $17 as we discussed earlier. Apart from this, you will find very important links below my video. Okay. These things, AI funnels or these $17 products on Varia Plus, they will come and go. And don't expect to make money if you buy something in $15-20. Okay, sometimes you might get some knowledge, or sometimes you might get a software which might work, which might not work. But in $17-20, nobody makes money. Okay, so face the reality. If everybody could make money in $17, then nobody will be poor. Okay, so yeah, and this is the last part of the video here. They are showing how to edit your content or your description on your sales page on your funnel. Okay. So below my video, you'll find some links. It says swing trading on automation, then make money on YouTube, and cash jacking and other get 100 leads per day, stuff like that. Okay, go and check out those links because I'm sharing those links after I have made money with those methods in last 5 years. So all those methods which you see below my YouTube video, they are tested, tried, and they have made money for me in last 5 years. So everything is battle tested. Just go out there and check everything and try. So that's AI funnels for you. That was a demo video. You have seen what it is. Then you can check rest of things on the sales page here. So go below the video. If you want to come onto the sales page, click the first link which says grab AI funnels copy. Click on that link. Go to the sales page, or else check out swing trading and automation, grab cash jacking, make money, and 100 leads. Whatever you want to do, all these methods except except this AI funnels, which I have not used. Okay, I will never use it. I have experience enough to make my own products or make my own money. Okay. So these products had made me real money in last 5 years. If you want to do the same thing which I have done, go and try them. And then the cost of this AI funnel starts with, I think, let me see, $19. Okay, so 19 for front end. Then you have OTO1, which is this, OTO2 is this, and OTO4. You can read everything here if you pause the video. So we have 7 OTOs, all right? And this is what you get. So if you want to buy iFunnels, go and buy from me and get the cash jacking as bonus. Otherwise, go and check out these links or buy any of these things which you want to make real money online. I'll see you in my next reviews or videos. Till then, take care.